So, is it difficult to find an apartment in your city? Or is rent expensive? Because I'm from Switzerland and finding an apartment is difficult. Like, it is a mission. As for rent, it is expensive. Most people find rent expensive, and especially with the wars and post-corona and everything that is going on in the world right now, like rent just exploded and it will keep on increasing. So it is expensive, but it is not like New York expensive, let's be real. Although like this point can be debatable. So today I want to give you a house tour of my $1,700 apartment in Switzerland. Hello, welcome on this channel. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie and I am from Switzerland. Here on this channel I hope to share some of my stories and travels as I go around Switzerland and South Korea and other places in the world. So I hope to inspire you, bring you joy, but as well as important information. I moved into this apartment in May 2022 after living in a studio apartment for a few years, and this apartment is situated in Lausanne, in the heart of Lausanne, like in the city center, and it cost 1,655 Swiss francs per month. So how do you find an apartment in Switzerland? So to find an apartment, if I look at my phone, it's because I'm reading my notes so that I can give you everything that I've written for you guys. So to find an apartment in Switzerland, there are a few websites where you can go or have to go. One of the first one would be comparis.ch. The second one is imoscout24.ch. The third one is immobilier.ch. The fourth one is homegate.ch, and the fifth one is acheter/louer.ch, and everything will be written on the screen. So in order to rent an apartment in Switzerland, there is a process. The process to rent an apartment in Switzerland goes as follows. So when you see something that you like on one of those websites that I've just given to you, you need most of the time there will be either a phone number or a little box where you can input your information and then send it to the people responsible for the apartment in question, so that they are able to reply to you by email to give you the visit date. So basically what you do is that you call the number that is given, or you fill in this little box and you let them know that you would like to visit, and you ask for when the visits are, because like they do group visits. So once you have done that, you go to the visit. So very important for visiting apartment in Switzerland. So if they tell you that the visit is on Friday at 11, you do not go at 11. If you go at 11, you are late. So you need to go before. Okay, so if you go before 11, then you are on time. And second thing is that at least in Lausanne and some other like popular cities in Switzerland, there are a lot of people looking for apartments. So if you arrive at 11, then there are some apartments where you will find like 20-30 people queuing to sit. So that is also a challenge, and one of the reasons why it is important to go there in advance. And so something else about when you visit an apartment in Switzerland is that you need to go with all of your files on you. So your files need to be ready and on you when you are visiting the apartment, because that is one of the key points if you want to successfully acquire an apartment. So basically you go there, if you like the apartment, then you give your files directly to the person that is there in charge of the visit, so that they know that you are interested, because the faster you are, the better are your chances of securing this apartment. And also a quick tip, you're going to laugh, but a motivation letter doesn't hurt. So that is it for me today for this apartment tour. So I hope that you have enjoyed it and that you have found some valuable information, and I will see you next time.